Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export Outlook contacts to Excel. This is incredibly useful when you need to back up your contacts, share them with colleagues, or simply organize them in a spreadsheet format for easier management. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Give it a moment to load in all your emails and data. Once everything has loaded properly, you're ready to begin the export process. Now, to export Outlook contacts to Excel, navigate to the File menu located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Go ahead and click on the File tab. This will open up a menu with several important options for managing your Outlook account and data. Once the File menu has opened, look for the option labeled Open and Export and click on it. The menu will expand to reveal additional options related to importing and exporting data. From here, click on Import/Export. This will launch the Import and Export wizard, which is the tool that guides you through the entire export process. In the wizard that appears, you'll want to start the exporting process by looking for the option that says Export to a File. Click on it to select it, then click on Next to move forward. On the next screen, you'll be asked to choose a file type. This is important because you want to select CSV, which stands for comma-separated values. This is the file format that's fully compatible with Microsoft Excel and will ensure your contacts open correctly in a spreadsheet. Next, you need to select the folder you wish to export. Look for the Contacts folder in the list and click on it to select it. This tells Outlook that you specifically want to export your contacts, not emails or calendar items. Once you've selected the Contacts folder, click on Next to continue. Now it's time to select a file directory folder where your exported contacts will be saved. Click on Browse to open a File Explorer window. This allows you to navigate to any location on your computer where you'd like to store the file. Once you've chosen your destination folder, you'll need to enter a file name for this exported contacts file. Choose something descriptive so you can easily find it later. After entering the file name, click on OK. You're almost done. For the final step, confirm your folder selection by clicking on the checkbox. A header mapping window will appear at this point, allowing you to cross-check which fields will be imported. This is helpful to ensure all the contact information you need is included in the export. Once you've verified everything looks correct, click on Finish. Outlook will now begin processing and exporting your contacts, so give it a moment to complete the task. Once your exported CSV file is ready, simply locate it in the folder you selected and open it. It will automatically open with Microsoft Excel as a comma-separated values type of file, displaying all your contacts in a clean, organized spreadsheet format. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Outlook contacts to Excel, making them easy to manage, share, or backup. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.